Start by adding your text. Now move the anchor point to the center of the text. Turn on snapping to make it easier. Now resize your text to what you want it. Now duplicate the text layer to the amount of colors you want. Now hide all the layers, except the original one. Keep that layer white, and unhide the layer above it, and change its color and hide it again, and repeat it to all the other layers. I went in the order of the rainbow colors. Go to the first layer and open up the scale. Go to somewhere near the end and add a keyframe. Then go the start and make it smaller and at the end too. Open the graph editor and ease the keyframes and follow me. Then open Position. Right-click on it and choose Separate Dimension. Now animate the Y position. Go to the end and add a keyframe. Then go to the start and move it down till it's out of frame. Open the graph editor and ease the keyframes and follow me. Next open Rotation. Add a keyframe in the end, and go to the start and keyframe it to 180. Open the graph editor and ease the keyframes and follow me. Now click U on your keyboard to bring up all the keyframes. Select them all and copy them. Now go all the way back to the beginning and select all the other layers and paste the keyframes. Now move the white text layer to the top. Then start moving the text layers 1 to 3 frames like I am doing. Don't forget to turn on motion blur. You can add RSMB too. And that's it.